Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our June 2023 challenge is to use this mood board to put together your kit to scrapbook at least 3 memories. That means do 3 layouts of any size. It can be in a traveler's notebook. It can be an 8 by 11 and a half. It can be 12 by 12. It can be 9 by 12, whatever your heart desires. But we would like you to use this mood board to put together your kit. And then we would love to see your creation by snapping a photograph and uploading it over to our Facebook group site in the June 2023 album. I will have the link listed below for our Facebook group site, and I will have Kathy and Becky's link to their YouTube channel listed below. But just want to let you know that you may not see that many videos because both of them are visiting families and friends, and they both are going to the same scrapbooking retreat the month of June. So I may be solo this month. So now go through your scrappy supplies and gather pattern papers, cardstock that has this color scheme. It doesn't have to be exact, but fairly close. And then select your photographs of the memories that you would like to document. Enough of that, right? Let's look at what I have gathered. So for this kit here, let me set aside my embellishments. I was inspired to use this paper from 49 and Market, and it's called Kaleidoscope. And it was released in 2022. Then I have this cardstock from Close to My Heart called Harbor. And I don't know if I am going to have a double matted foundation. I kind of like that. And maybe I might gut it and use this paper to mat my photographs. And then I grabbed this scrap paper. So I may choose to use this side to mat my photographs. I may choose this side here. And all the photographs that I am documenting this month is my Hawaii trip from a year ago, this month, matter of fact. I'm going to create all 3 layouts using photographs from Hawaii. So I have this word cutout phrase. I don't even know when I cut this out, but it says awesome. Then I have these miscellaneous stickers here. Scenic outlook, famous landmark. We have this ticket here that was cut from a 12 by 12 paper. I know that much, but I don't know what collection. I have 3 enamel dots. I have this sticker collection here, and I think this is from Close to My Heart, last year's sticker sheet. I have this chipboard piece from Crate Paper Journey collection, which is a very old collection. I have rub-ons from 49 and Market. I have this life card that's 3 by 4, and then 2 photographs of the plane, the wing there, and this picture of Hawaii and all the lava rock that you can see in the bottom of the ocean there. And then this is lava rock up on the ground here. So that's my photograph, and those are my embellishments. It's not a lot. You are correct. For some reason lately, I have not really been using a lot of embellishments. I have been using more of my life cards. Also, for my kits too, well, I'll show you that in the end. I have some Dilution Shimmer Sprays that I have set out, and I'll bring them in to use. I may even get a couple of stencils, but I'm not sure because I really love the pattern paper. I am using also as my base paper 49 and Market, along with scrap papers and then cardstock from Close to My Heart. I know I'm talking really fast. I don't want this video to go too long, and I don't want to really edit much out. So we're moving along really quick here. All right, for my cardstock paper, I was indecisive here. And again, I may use all three colors, but we have the green, I think it's called Lime, from Close to My Heart, Daisy White cardstock, and the black cardstock. For my main layer, for my foundation layer, we have 49 in Market. This is from 2022, and this is called Countryside Homestead. Just love the brightness of this. And then for my scrap paper, I have this paper from Becky. Don't remember which collection, but I really chose it for this side. Then I have this scrap paper from Amy Tangerine, Late Afternoon. This is a real older collection story, but I chose it to use either side. I'm kind of leaning towards this side here because the reddish brown matches. This blue goes great with the yellow and green within this collection. And there is a little bit of this mint that is in the background, like splotches or the kissing technique, basically. So that's my paper. For my photograph, this was our first night in reaching Hawaii. And we are very, very tired. We didn't do anything with our hair. We just pulled it back. We got on sundresses. And at the resort where we were staying was this awesome restaurant. And that's all I'm going to tell about the story for now. You'll have to come back when I create the layout. But this is me, and that's my sister-in-law. All right, I have this tag says today. This is for layering. It's stickers, of course, of a square, green, and yellow. I have this chipboard piece from a Becky collection, and I don't remember right now, but when I go creating, I'm going to make me a mental note right now to remind you when I create my layout. I have rub-ons again from 49 and Market. I've got the word thankful. I die cutted this, and let me show you. This is from Close to My Heart, and it is Deck the Palms, and it is CC11218. I am a Close to My Heart consultant. I will have the link listed below if you'd like to come shop over at Close to My Heart through me. So I stamped this, die cut it, and colored it in using True Blend markers. So I added that. And then we have some more die cuts from 49 and Market. We've got happiness. This circle says all the good times. Another square. This chipboard piece is from, I think, an older Pink Fresh Studio, maybe? I'm not sure. And it says, here's to the one who dreams, or dream. And then I have this chipboard piece from Becky, collection. I hope I said that here. This is Becky. If I said Maggie Holmes, wrong. Becky. This is Becky as well. So that is my embellishments. I'll slip this back in here and my photographs. Slip it all in there. And these I get from Close to My Heart. These envelopes are perfect size for storing your embellishments for your little kits. that's kit number 2. And kit number 3. This one's going to be real colorful. Whoops, sorry. That was my kit falling on the ground, but it's in the envelope, so nothing spilt on the floor. See, live, live, live. Again, this is 49 and Market, and this is called Classics Blue Moon, and it's from 2022. This side is gorgeous, and I could use that side as well, but I chose to challenge myself to use this side. So that's my pattern, full 12 by 12 pattern paper. I have this paper from Becky, and look how the colors go great with this. Plus, these colors, 3-4 of them, are a perfect match of the mood board. Then I have this other Becky paper of sunglasses. I have a cardstock here of Lagoon from Close to My Heart. And this was a specialty paper from Close to My Heart. And it's a blue, the sapphire color, but it has a distress look on one side. And then this side is almost like a brush kind of stroke. Subtle, but that's what the pattern is. For the memory that I am documenting, let's see, let's get out the goodies here. So at the resort was this area. What is this called? This is called, let me see if I can remember, Surf Shack. And this is where you would rent not just the surfboards, but they had the old-fashioned kayaks there. What other items? But anyway, things that you can do out in the water there by the resort. I have this sticker sheet from an older Heidi Swap. And again, this is another tab that I cut out from a 12 by 12 paper. And this silver dollar, is that what we call these? What are they? Sand dollars? Sorry, sand dollars. Again, I stamped out using the Close to My Heart stamp and thin cuts called Deck the Palms. And I colored it in using, I think it was tan True Blend marker. Then we have this ticket from 49 and Market. We have a circle, and then we have a tag. I have this chipboard piece that says Paradise Found, and that is from Becky. And then this just little scrap paper of a dolly from a thin cut from Close to My Heart. There's a large one and a small one, and it is still available at Close to My Heart. Love it. No more buying dollies. That thin cut is perfect. And then a little tab there. Then I have these puffy stickers that go well with this color. And I think that was it for the embellishments. I haven't figured out what my title is going to be. So when I start creating, I will go to my alpha sets to try to figure out what I'm going to do for a title. You are creating your kits, if you need to, as just a jumping off point, and then you're going to add more later as you create. Now, I may do some more stamping, die cutting. And so I got out these two stamp and thin cuts. And this one is called Summer Vibes. And I have used this one here, and I may stamp. I'm thinking about, I like the bubbles here. And this says Sending Sunshine right there. And then, of course, this Getaway. And then we have the flowers and the succulents and the pineapple and more succulents and the sand dollar and the shell, conch shell. And, of course, the flamingo. And I got out this stamp set. And this is called Stamp Thin Cut at the Beach. And I did it for the shells because none of those photographs are of us at the beach at that point. I mean, that that I'm documenting that part of the memory. That'll be coming up in some future layouts. But I like the little sand dollar and shells that I might stamp in the background. I could use the sunglasses. So that's why I pulled that one out of my scrappy stash. Oh, the Dilution shimmer sprays that I selected. So we have Tangerine Dream, Cut Grass, a teal, and lemon tea. I think that's what that says. And all those colors go together. Like I said, I may pull out more. I am in love using a lot of the Dana Wakley sprays. They're a semi-gloss, and this one happens to be Rouge, which is a pinkish red. It doesn't mean this is the one I'm going to use, but I have several colors. I think about seven or eight. I even have one in a green. So see, I may pull this one out for my green if I do not want to have shimmer. These have shimmer in them, of course, and these do not. They are a gloss, and that is a beautiful green. And that is my 3 mini kits based off the mood board that I found on Pinterest. I hope that you are going to play along and snap photographs and upload those over to our Facebook group site. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you supporting my channel by just watching my video, and we will see you next time.